It's a part 2 of the group audit. Responsibility of the parent under the group audit, CA final auditing. The responsibility of the preparation, the responsibility for preparation and presentation of the consolidated financial statements of the nothing but the management of the parent includes the identifying the components. Identifying the components includes a subsidiary, associate, joint venture, whatever it may be, including the identify the components and identify the financial information of the component to be included in the CFS. And next, wherever the appropriate identifying reportable segments to be reported, first of all, identify the components. Second, appropriate identifying the reporting segments for the reporting segments. Okay. Next, the topic, what is the responsibility of the parent? Nothing but the responsibility of the parent is to identify the component, including the financial information of the company. Components to be included in the CFS. First, identify the component. Next, wherever the appropriate, identifying the reportable segments to be reported and identify the related party transactions. First of all, identify the component. Next, identify the reportable segments and identify the related party transactions and related party transactions for reporting purpose, and obtain accurate and complete financial information from the components, and make the appropriate consolidation adjustments and harmonizing the accounting policies. If the harmonizing is nothing but making equal transparency, okay, and gap conversions. First, what's the responsibility? Identify the component and identify the reportable segments and identify the related party transactions, obtain the accurate and complete financial information, and make the consolidation adjustments and harmonizing the accounting policy and accounting framework and gap convergence. This is the responsibility. Apart from the ordinary issue, the parent ordinary issues the instructions to the management for the management of the component, specifying that parent requirement relating to the financial information, okay, to be included. This is a question related to the responsibility for the preparation and presentation of CFS among things that of the management of the parent. This includes the responsibility of the parent. And next question is nothing but responsibility of the auditor of the CFS. It's a responsibility of the auditor of the CFS. It's a responsibility of the parent. Okay. Second question is nothing but principal auditor is responsible for expression of opinion on the financial statements on the CFS, whether the financial statements are materially prepared as per the applicable financial reporting framework. Okay. And here the auditor objective is nothing but whenever any standard, we should identify the objective, purpose, and scope. What is objective? Objective is nothing but to satisfy himself that financial statements are prepared in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework and express the opinion on the financial statement, true and fair view. And 143 matters contained in 143 auditor reporting, and next one matters in 143. And auditor should have a valid requirement for preparation of the financial statements. Valid auditor should also validate. It should validate that preparation financial statements as per the company's applicable financial reporting framework and standard on auditing and guidance not to be followed by the principal auditor after auditing. And he should plan their work